Morning children, in continuation of chapter motion, today we will discuss uniform and non-uniform motion, distance and displacement, scalar and vector quantities, speed. Now, uniform and non-uniform motion. Children, uniform means एक समान. An object is said to be have uniform motion if it's cover equal distance in equal intervals of times along the straight line. Take a simple example. If a car cover a distance of 50 km in 1 hour, 50 km in second hour and 50 km in third hour, so we can say the car move uniform motion. Now, non-uniform motion. An object is said to be non-uniform motion if it covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. Means distance traveled by car is unequal and time interval is same. For example, a car which travel 30 km in first hour, 50 km in second hour and 40 km in third hour. So, car travel in non-uniform motion. Now, second topic is distance and displacement. Distance traveled by a moving body in is the actual length covered by it, whereas displacement of a body is defined as shortest possible distance covered by it between its initial and final positions. Take a simple example. A person move from point A to B and then point B to C. So, the actual distance traveled by a person is the sum of length of AB plus BC. Whereas in displacement, the change in the position of the person is AC. The length AC is the displacement from initial position. Displacement is equal to AC. A simple example. An object moves 6 km due west and then 8 km due north. Find the distance covered by the object and its displacement. In figure, person travel A to B and then B to C. So, total distance traveled by a body, distance covered by body A to B plus distance covered by body B to C. So, total distance equal to 6 km plus 8 km. So, 14 km. Okay. Now, displacement is equal to AC. So, AC is equal to under root AB square plus BC square. When we put these value, we get 10 km. We can say displacement of an object can 10 km towards northwest, while distance equal to 14 km. Displacement is the vector quantity, has magnitude as well as direction, while distance scalar quantity has only magnitude, not direction. Now, scalar and vector quantity. Scalar quantity, a physical quantity that can be described only by its magnitude, means its numerical value. So, it is called scalar quantity. For example, time, temperature, mass, speed, density, area, volume, work and energy. These are the scalar quantity because it's defined only numerical value, no required any direction. Whereas a physical quantity that need both magnitude and direction to be described is called a vector quantity. For example, velocity, acceleration, force and weight. These are the vector quantity. It represented not only numerical value, it also required direction also. So in vector quantity required both magnitude as well as direction. Now next topic is speed. What is the speed? The distance traveled by an object in unit time is called the speed of the object. So speed is equal to distance upon time. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. For larger unit speed, kilometer per hour. Speed is a scalar quantity. It requires only magnitude, not direction. Now, next topic is uniform speed. Uni means एक समान. If an object cover equal distance in equal interval of time is said to be uniform speed. Here, a distance traveled by object is equal as well as time interval is also equal. Okay. For example, a car moves 2.5 meter every second. It's said to be uniform speed is equal to 2.5 meter per second. Okay, now non-uniform speed, or we can say variable speed, means changeable. Variable means change, जो बार बार change हो, that is a variable speed. In non-uniform speed, if an object cover unequal distance in equal interval of time, it's said to be non-uniform speed or variable speed. In this, time interval is same, but distance traveled by an object is different. For example, an ant moves a distance of 1 centimeter in a second and distance of 1.5 centimeter another second. So it is the non-uniform speed. In a case of body has non-uniform speed, we calculate its average speed. So next topic is average speed. What is the average speed? The ratio of the total distance traveled to the total time taken is called the average speed. So average speed is equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. So we can understood average speed by this example. A train cover the first 30 km of its journey in 20 seconds, the next 50 km another 20 seconds, and third last 20 km in 10 seconds. Calculate the average speed of the train. Here total distance traveled by train is 30 km, 50 km and 20 km. When these magnitudes are added, we get 100 km, and total taken time 20 plus 20 plus 10 minutes. So we add, after add we get 50 minutes. So here in question given distance equal to kilometer, so minute also convert into hour. So 50 upon 60 is equal to 5.6 hour. In this way we can calculate the average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. So we put these value 100 upon 5.6 hour. So we get 120 km. The average speed of the train is 120 km per hour. Okay children, thank you.